Hey, just another ATAK video on a new feature in ATAK 4.4, and that you can change the color of a KML. So if it's not very evident of where the KML is at based on a base map or another map you have on top of imagery, you can change the color of it. As an example, here's the IR imagery from Virus over the ops map, and it stands out a little bit, but it'd be nice to have a little bit more contrast. So you can click on the actual KML, click the 6 o'clock position for more info, and click the little pencil down here below the metadata. And now you can change the color of it to say a blue. You can change the thickness of the outline, and then you can change the opacity of the actual polygon. It can be really helpful, especially if polygons on top of polygons, or if you have a data set that's right up against each other, like say counties. You can change each county a different color. I hope that was helpful.